Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hola, privet. Today I will teach you how to create border designs using only a black pen. No need for fancy color, let's embrace the beauty of black. I will show you 3 border designs using small paper. You can use these designs for the front of your science project or anything else you are working on. You don't have to use this only for borders. You can also put this design on greeting cards. To create this design, I used pigment liner pens of nib sizes 0.05 and 0.4 along with a brush pen. Additionally, please note that due to low light conditions, my phone camera may not capture the video sharply, resulting in some areas appearing less defined. The drawings may not clearly visible in pencil or under certain lighting conditions, affecting video exposure. For a better view of the final results, feel free to check out my community post. Well, I don't usually do this, but I would really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button on my channel. It's completely free and I aim to deliver useful content for your learning experience. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and stay updated whenever I share new content. Let's create a friendly and informative community. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at @GMCreations134 for exclusive thoughts and information that I can share here.